20 light pink. Let's see. Let's start from the top and work our way down. 1 for this bow. That's hot pink. 2. These for 3. This ring for 4. 5 and 6. These monkey noodles. Actually, I think this one's purple. We're still at 5. Can't forget my newly restocked strawberry milk slime for 6. 7. Ooh, 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. I don't have any light pink animals. 13. 'No light pink balls in there. What am I at, 15? I think so. Let's look in the emojis. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. These kind of look orange with the filter, but I promise you they're pink. And it looks like I win, so that was fun. Thanks for playing. Oop, that's white. Don't count that one. Let's count this one.